Yeah, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of 100 Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome all my new viewers to my new episode. But please, if you are new here, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they'll also be blessed like you. Yeah. So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can make 100 cedis with your phone for a day. 100 cedis a day with your phone in Ghana. Yeah, I want to show you how you can make 100 cedis with your phone. And this money, they will send the money through your mobile money. Yeah. So I will leave the link to the store I want to show you. Yeah. I will leave the link in my description. Yeah, this store is based in Ghana and it's called Tendo. Yeah, Tendo is a store, like, let's say, a wholesale store. Yeah, Tendo is a wholesale store. So you go there and promote their products and you add your interest on it. So when people purchase that product through your referral link, you get your commission. Yeah, so I know I'm talking too much, so let's jump on my phone screen and let me show you how you can do it on Tendo is an online shopping website. So if you are fashionable, like if you love fashion, if you love gadgets and things, you can promote this on your WhatsApp phones or on your social media platforms. So when people purchase this through your referral link, you get your commission. And one thing about this is you will add your interest. Yeah, let's say the product's 10 cedis, you can add 5 cedis to it. So when someone pays it 15 cedis, you have 5 cedis worth interest. That's how it works on Tendo. Let's jump to my phone screen and let me show you how you can register to this platform and help them sell their products and get money from it. You can make more than 100 cedis a day. So join me on my phone screen, let me show you how you can do it. The next to remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can earn 100 cedis daily with your phone. So no time to waste. Let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you go to Tendo. I will leave the link in my description. So you visit Tendo, yeah, and it's open. Yeah, so this is how Tendo looks like. So let's assume I want to sell this sneaker, Vans old school sneaker. The price is 195 cedis. Yeah, so I want to sell this sneaker and earn, let's say, 30 cedis profit. So I can go back and look for a product that I'm comfortable like buying it, selling it. I'll go for some products I'm comfortable selling it. We have a lot of products here, Shelvita Black, women's, we have everything, bags and things. So I know right now people love ring lights. People love ring lights. So I want to sell ring lights. So this is how I'll do it. So the ring lights 390 cedis. So I'll add, let's say, 20 cedis on this to make it like 400 cedis. To make it like 410 cedis. So when someone buy this 410 cedis, I'll get my 20 cedis profit from it. You see how it is? So if I share it, they will generate a link for me to share to my viewers. Then when they click on it and made a purchase, I'll earn my 20 cedis profit from it. Yeah, So that's how this app looks like. It's very easy. It's very easy. Like you'll be selling their products for them, and they will what, you will get your profit from it. And this profit, they will not determine it for you. Like you can determine the profit you want to add to the price, so that it will not be any big thing for your customers. So you have at least you have to manage and add little on your products, so that when someone made a purchase, you can add something from it. So not that's only, we have a lot of things over here. We have a lot of things over here. Yeah, so let's try something different. Let's go to, I mean, I love watches, so let's go to watches. Oh, right. My network. It's not right. So let's try bags. Yeah, bags. So you have a lot of bags here. So let's assume I want to sell this bag. Yeah, I want to sell this bag. We have different types. You have different types, and it's what 100cedis. You have different types. But I also said this type. So I'll click on share product, then add my profit on it. Let's say 10cedis on it. Then I'll click on share products. They will generate a link for me to copy and post it. So when someone made a purchase through it, I'll get my 10cedis commission from it. Yeah. So let's assume you do this, like 10 people buy this product, you have 100cedis, and you can search for some products that are highly demanded in the system right now. Let's go for, let me see this. Sneakers. Let's go to sneakers. So we can search for some sneakers that are really like people are purchasing it right now. So okay, let's go for the Nike Air. The Nike Air. It's 180cedis. So we can get our profits from it. So let me add, let's say 40cedis on it. So right now the total price is 217cedis. So when someone buys this product, I have 37cedis profit from it. That's how this one works. Oh, let me add 40. Let me add it 40. Yeah. Add 40. Yeah. So I'll get profits from it. 40cedis profits from it. Yeah. So when I share this link on my WhatsApp and I promote the brand, like that's the shoe, and when they send the links to you, yeah, they will send the products sample to you, like let's say the sneaker, to your gallery, so that you can share that product on your Facebook, on all the social media platforms, so that people will see it and purchase, click on the link to purchase it. That's how this links like works, and it's really helps. Yeah, so you can click on the link in my description and download this app and be on it and make a cool cash for yourself. Yeah, it's very easy to use. This one they don't determine the amount they want to pay you. You determine the amount you want on any product, so you can add any amount on the product you want. Yeah, if it's like you're comfortable selling it, yeah, you can add any product, but don't be greedy here. You have to add the product that will not raise the price very high. Yeah, so this how this product this is how this app works, and this, when you follow every step, you will earn a lot of money with this. Yeah, so thank you for watching my video. The next one remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Fando Technology Company, and I'm out.